So you have made your conversational AI assistant. Now we will do some experiment with it. Try this with your AI assistant. Ask your assistant questions like explain quantum computing in simple words, write a birthday message for your friend, give me 5 business ideas using AI, create a 1-week study plan for Python, explain recursion with an example, write a short motivational story, generate a SQL query to find duplicate records, suggest healthy breakfast ideas. These are different kind of questions you can ask with your AI assistant, and you will quickly discover something amazing. The program never changed, only the question changed, yet the assistant could answer on completely different topics. This is the power of large language model. Olama is a large language model. But our assistant looks impressive, but it has one major weakness. Try this one. You said, my name is Rahul, and AI said, nice to meet you, Rahul. Now you ask, what is my name? And AI will say, I am sorry, but I don't know your name, or something else. Anything it can reply, but it does not remember your name. Why did this happen? Because every question is sent independently. Your first question was sent, it responded, then second sent, it responded. Now it does not remember the first question. The AI model only receives the current question. It has no memory of previous messages. This is not a bug. It is simply how we have built our AI assistant. In day 2, we will solve this problem by giving our AI assistant memory. We will store the conversation history and send it with every request, allowing the assistant to remember names, previous questions, and the context of the discussion. So memory is not magic. It is not magic that it remembers. It is how your application has been built. So it is something which we build into the application. Congratulations. Take a moment what you have accomplished today. When you started this day, you had no AI application. Now you have built your own AI assistant that can answer questions on almost any topic. Although the application is simple, don't underestimate what you have achieved. Almost every modern AI application, whether it is ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or any enterprise AI assistant, starts with the same fundamental idea. It receives a user request, sends it to an AI model, receives the response, and display it to the user. You now understood this complete cycle because you have built it yourself. I think this is great job for the first day. I hope everything is clear to you. We will move to the second day.